TV. Dream big.
Yo makwaba adiba DAF TV dwumadi so. Ena ye hyem ha se abusua baako a yebedi nkomo afa ne yekoso e wiase nyina yare bone a atetese e wiase nyina a yefe no coronavirus or COVID-19. Na yekasa fa oman Ghana ho. How prepared are we as a nation to battle this outbreak? Wahwehwe ni be brain ewo Al Jazeera, CNN, BBC, other networks. Na ma notice ade kakra bi. Me hu se Ghana for inema bi to chima a ese ka ho asem. Ene sen encheye ani na he ene hu se yete se omampani aka se otwa sika eye 100,000 or 100 million Ghana cedis, so $100 million, yeah, $100 million ama se yede bebo coronavirus ne ho bra. But other people are politicizing it. Say yare no emmaye ena aba ena emmaye ena aba ena emmaye. Okay. How prepared are we as a nation? And I'm sure baby bring your closest schools, social gatherings in your chum. Be then ya chiheya, baby ametia. A sorry koso near the dear Jesse. Ye tony mo bosenku a ye dear Rusie. Bible no chere and say, emphasis are dear Emma Caesar, near fa Kaiser, dear Emma Kaiser. Sanya yen be before your fa yensam sanya your fa yensam efan. Ayana miracle. Sometimes say one tintima obeka say one no hu say oye bibini. Because I don't know how we take this disease, like this virus, this outbreak. I don't know how we the blacks we see it, we the Africans. I don't know how we see it. Especially we Ghanaians. Anya asam ketwa na esi no. Asam na esi na yedi agro no. Anya asam ketwa na se. Nyame anyi ni ti na se yare eti atese o Ghana ha ebe mobo. Efi se yeyi ase obi tu abedin obi ya yefro bibia ye bia ye de nchia yebusua no so. Entis abroche kwa no mabusua ne maame ne opapa ne mma no hwomo kwa ne omo yew na yen ayebusua no eye tin o maame nua yere ba nua danfo kra ye wabusua ni bishia no ba bia opese o chia no obeso hu se wunim no na yen no se tu atese wo ha yebewu ke na esese yesua de kakra ni ja politics bia ehun hia. Politics ehun hia. Asori dem ye politics. Yefi mu ye politics. Oman mu ye politics. Ebusuo mu ye politics. Yare aba ne ye ka ho asem na man panin se ye twa sika se de ato ha. Ebinim tenchense nkofo be chedi. Fine. If you say omomo kasa no so, omo ebida nti omunim se ne abai. Nkofo be chedi. Ma monso mo ho no hwe yare no ye yare a Jazeera ni BBC ni ade na samehwa nti ade ba Ghana ebe den. Because me tie me na me koba ama busua di bi. Me koba na manya bia, ba busua ni bia ntimi nka so mba me nchen me busa masemo. Me na me mo bibi mo madi. To be abeba me nchen, I will easily spread it. Sa na won so tie. So maame ina kodwam eba na busua ni didi a. Ono so ba won timi nka so won ko ne nchen ko busa na aduane, ana won ko ne nchen ko busa na bibi. You go close to the person and you will get it. Ye baby onsa beka o chefa o yare no. Nti bana yesi yare na bana yen yete ha ne asi aba na asi emba na asi aba na asi emba no ahoboa ben na me no mienu yaye gloves here de share say wo bi ofie hand sanitizer wo bi ofie yesi man yempie enko bebi anipa bebree wo ena mi ka say afa na ofie aye fro kra wo ba fie mi ka say afa na ofie asori awo ba mi ka say afa na wo so nam kwan so awokọ wa aye fro ana wokọ wa yi ase ana wokọ baabi ena yen yare a di agro ti DAF TV ena mi ankasa CEO of DAF TV Daniel Adefren Poma TSC say minimum be gin kuta ho ni akasa afa sayare ho nti wa wo hwe me hye na onua nso enhye na onua nso enhye efi say ye bibifo no ya asem mobo so wo hwe ene me hwe na China nkwala eko school ya di ade ahye mo hwene na bebi omu didi nyina ya chichem obi adidi obabi separate table no mote ho no ya di ade yellow achem obi ane ne cabinet a wo him man say cabin e wo table say no obi ati hye ne di na ye be dey ayesa ade we don't even have running waters e wo school even ye fie mu ye ni bi nti ahoboa ben na yen yaye na sa 100 million nso aban se watwa ade ato ho no yare ba yen ne o ne emi ya ne se na aban na etwen se yare ne beba hands watwa sika bi ana se ya ahoboa bi ade aso yare ya no ka this time exam ka fie bia enya bowl bi ana bucket bi a obetime nya running water ewo mu a obi afia bonten ba na oba obehohoro ne nsa ho enya so enya bibi enya easy o hwe abrofo no health facilities omo any ade omo wo a eku omo no se si ha na mo a o I will say obi a wo DSTV or access to this CNN, Al Jazeera and Bloomberg and other stuff no hu ne ekoso wi ase no because ya de na ye nyamesom hwe osu nyamesen hwana American show so what I say even nyame kwa na de yare na ba who are you? You don't know. Nti mama mayemfa yare no endi agro. Mama mayemfa endi agro. Na mama yentu anamon because you see prevention is better than cure. Coronavirus no is easy to spread. We shouldn't joke with it. Please. The government should be serious enough to close our ports. Entry port like as entry point our Ghana, we have to close it because a bagana yen ni hwio sa ambulance bako na the street yen timi fan bibia o calculate the number of people in our district BM and say one district one ambulance na yen ye fi say o bibi yen ni hwio yen ni hwe na senyame endi afofie na se yare ne si ha no ho ya sebehye asad na ko hemokola ko dan ko he odan main station odan market ko aseswa market ko kumase ko he se ne enam ye bowa ebi ko na ebi ba how prepared are we as a nation? Ya ye kan enya agro na yedi obi anhwe Al Jazeera onhwe BBC onhwe CNN no ntie ne ekoso enya agro abrofo no health facilities omo wo no enya nkwada asem but yes still she preparation mo ye ni ade every day they record new case every blessed day new cases. Maybe I'm a share and then nipa 79 no ma diagnose positive. And then nti bagana ha then na yeye as a nation. My brothers and sisters, let us be serious in life. Let us be serious. Don't use your money today and go and buy chichinga. Get yourself a hand sanitizer. At least one. Namo manage. How prepared are you? Do you have enough on you to buy food, to keep your family indoors? This is not a joke, please. It is not a joke. Tiene, afina, musuma sorry amaba. Akama kuma se, yen share bibi kakra. Ne serious. Ne mfa ne se, ma yen fa yare ne se yare ketua anasa agro bi na ye den yedi. Se oba fi school ba, mane hohoro ne nsa with soap. Nafa sanitizer hohoro ne nsa ho ansana o baby bia waye. School holding nyina we should all help. Say o school mpo ne bi ni ho a na so o ska obetimi di aye bibi aboa se ne be ankwara na betimi ahohoro mo nsa mpo a ye nyina ye nso na ye mmoa na eken ni a na katri. Let us do our best to help our motherland, Ghana. That is all we have. We have nowhere to go. The government should be serious enough to close our borders. People are coming in with this disease. And I don't think we are prepared. That $100 million we are talking about is just a peanut. I'm telling you, we shouldn't politicize it because see, I said the $100 million a top plastic bowl. Edi nsuogum enya running water crowd fee. Ni anya di nsuogum ni etimi ahohoro yensa air running water. Do you think that one can buy a bowl for the whole nation, every household? No. We shouldn't joke. We must be there to say Nigerians here about 200 million population. Nigeria for the 20 million. We are joking. We are seriously joking as a nation. Bibia na mo politicizing no. Ebekuyin politics bekuyin o man mu. Politics ebekuyin o man mu. We should leave these politicians alone and think about our lives. That is the most important thing. Intiene CEO of DAF TV say me baya enye boni. And nanti see nyina say let us be serious with this kind of communicable disease called COVID-19 or coronavirus. It is serious. It is very, 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 very serious. So we shouldn't joke about it. Yan ye kwa ye. E kame nko a anka nkwa ye no. Yan ye kwa sorry. E kame nko a kame ye nko. Yan ye kwa birthdays. Yan ye kwa baby anipa bebrain wo. Woni me bi obi free ba. Nsira mo. Be fisi wa koso nyame o. Na akofa ya ready akofie. Ya reba akope betime etu obusu ase. Nsira mo pi. Nyame hwe ni yi. Na ya re na aba no. Nye fedi agro. Nye mmɔ ye ho ban. Se yentimi nkɔgye bi emfiri baabi emma ɔman mu. So hwɛ na se wopɛ so tu kwan ba Ghana. I will advise the government to talk to all agencies. No more monitor how our port of entry will run itself. We should close all borders from tomorrow going. Please share this video so that the government, the president, the ministers in the amonhwe asama mekan because enye easy. We are not ready to lose our lovely people, our lovers, our family, our children. We are not ready to lose them. And we don't want our lovers to lose us. Nyame unshine number nyina. Kwasua na hwe DAF TV, dream big. Me amenemo kasa emidinde Daniel Adefrempong, CEO of DAF TV. Obetimi aframe DAF for short. God bless you all. Birinchia sonko ekoma me bra pani Kwame Mickey. Ene me maame Erabna. Ene me maame Rita Apia Mickey. Ene me maame Felicia Eni. I want also USA. US for Mabubo Modin. Kwekusu. Nancy PSA. Madofo nyina me maame Miss Janet Hineku. My sister Rita Adefren Pon. Fidelia Adefren Pon. Patrick Adefren Pon. Ene Susan Opoku. Me ba Deborah Adefren Pon. Dennis Adefren Pon. Desmond Adefren Pon. And Donald Trump. Michio Bia. I mean, come on. On Shram. Oh, yes, with him. Amen. Bye bye.